Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to set a Google Chrome homepage. So for example, that homepage of Google Chrome is basically the first thing that appears when you open your browser. So first of all, we're going to go into the three dots up here, then going to settings. Once you're here, you're going to go in the left corner and type in on startup, press on startup, and then you're going to open a new tab page, so the default one. Continue where you left off. So for example, if you're watching a movie or YouTube video, it's gonna open the exact same time that you actually close the window, or open a specific page or a set of pages. If you want it to always open google.com, you're just gonna add a new page and type in www.google.com. Save that, and that will basically open Google search bar every time you open your browser. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.